Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the triad stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. You will need to know how to make chains, and you will need to know how to make the single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those, and I will have them listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made some triad stitches, so this is going to be what they are going to look like. And I did want to give you information if you are starting from the very beginning, making chains, and then working into those, and then making your triad stitches. The triad stitch, if you are working it this way, is made up of two rows. A foundation row of single crochet, and then your triad stitch, single crochet, triad stitch, and so on from there. So if you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to want to make a multiple of 2. You're then going to start working your single crochet stitches starting from the second chain from your hook. Work 1 into every chain. The next row is where you're going to begin your triad stitches, and I'm going to show you on the row that I'm currently working, because obviously right here, this row, is all single crochet. So that's going to be that foundation row of single crochet. Then I'm going to work my triad stitches. So to begin the row with triad stitches, you're going to want to make a chain 4, which I've already done over here. You're going to skip over this first stitch right here where the chain 4 is connected, this one. You're actually going to start working into this second stitch right here. You're going to start by yarning over your hook, insert your hook into that second stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through. You're then going to yarn over. You're going to insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through. Alright, you're then going to yarn over. You're going to pull that yarn through all of the loops except for this very last one right here. I'm going to pull it through all of the loops on my hook except for that one. You should have 2 loops left. You're going to yarn over, pull through all 2 of those loops. You're going to make 1 chain. So that's going to be 1 triad stitch right there. That's going to be what it's going to look like. Alright, so we're going to make the next one. Your next triad stitch is going to work into this stitch right here where your first one is actually connected. So you're going to start by yarning over your hook. You're going to insert it into this stitch right here, connected with this first one. You're going to grab that yarn and you're going to pull it through. You're then going to start doing the same thing where you work into these next 2. You're going to yarn over, insert into that next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, insert it into that next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, you're going to pull through all loops except for this very last one right here. You should have 2 loops. You're going to yarn over, pull through both 2 loops, then make 1 chain. Okay. So again, you always start with a yarn over. Insert your hook into the stitch that is connected with the previous one we had just made. Insert that hook, grab that yarn, pull it through that stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into that second stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, insert your hook into the third stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through all loops except for this very last one. You should have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both loops, make a chain. Alright. Do it up close now. So this is the stitch you're going to work into. You're going to start with a yarn over on your hook, insert it into that stitch that connects with this last triad. Grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through, yarn over, insert your hook into that next stitch. Grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, insert it into this third one right here. Grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through all loops except for the very last one. Should have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both loops, make a chain. Alright, you're going to start with a yarn over, insert your hook into this stitch right here that's connected with this last triad. Pull that yarn through, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, insert your hook into that third stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through all loops on your hook except for this very last one. Sorry, my yarn is being weird. Alright, you should have 2 loops on your hook. Grab that yarn, pull it, yarn over. Take it through both of those loops. Then do 1 chain. Alright, we are at the very end of our row. So we're going to make 1 double crochet actually into this last stitch right here. And that is going to match our chain 4, because that chain 4 is going to be, 3 of those chains are going to act as 1 double crochet. And then that 1 chain, so that's going to be that 1 chain right there, and then a double crochet. So it should match on the other side. Then we're going to chain 1 and we're going to turn our work. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to do the single crochet row. That way it's the foundation if you want to do more triad stitches for your next row. You're going to work 1 single crochet into this first stitch right here. You're going to then work 1 into the opening, 1 into the top of the triad, 1 into the opening, and you're going to repeat this. Top of the triad, opening, 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 top of the triad, opening. You're then going to work 1 into the second chain right here. It's kind of hard to see. There's so you worked 1 into that opening, right? So there's 1, 2, 3 left on the side. If I can get it to focus. There's 1, 2, 3. You're going to work it into the second one right here. So you're going to work it right into, if I can get it, that one. Okay. So then it's going to, you can see how my edges have stayed straight and how it matches on each side. And that is going to be how to make the triad stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos or tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.